Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a special type of integration of a special type of a function. A special type of function is given here 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Now we want to find the integral of this function. Since we can denote it I equal to integration over 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx. That means we want to find the integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. For this, first we should change this denominator into the perfect square, means completing square. That means 1 upon, we can change it into the perfect square by the completing square method. Already we have studied in the quadratic equation in class 10th. So first we take a from common, a as a common from this denominator by making the coefficient of x square is 1. Now if we take a from a as a common from denominator, so this will be x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a into dx. Now 1 upon a into integration 1 upon x square plus b upon a into x plus, now in this diameter we should be adding the square of b upon 2a, square of b upon 2a, and subtracting b square upon b upon 2a whole square, sorry, adding b upon 2a whole square and subtracting b upon 2a whole square. That means we should be adding b upon 2a whole square and also subtracting b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a into dx. Adding and subtracting, both quantity are the same, so this is can't change the value of this denominator. We can write a 1 upon a into integration of 1 upon from x square to this, means x square plus b upon a into x plus b upon 2a whole square. We can write x plus b upon 2a whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, minus we can write this b upon 2a minus b upon 2a whole square minus c upon a into dx. Now we should be put x plus b upon 2a equal to t and differentiating this with respect to t, therefore this will be dx equal to dt, and put also b upon 2a whole square minus c upon a equal to plus minus k square. Plus minus sign we can take the according to the sign of b upon 2a minus c upon a. So this will be converted in the form of 1 upon a integration over 1 upon, on the place of x plus b upon 2a is t, so this will be t square, and on the place of this will be plus minus k square into dt, dx equal to dt, so dx will be replaced by dt. This will be form of given function, and then we can evaluate according to the previous formula. That means 1 upon a square x square plus a square or 1 upon x square minus a square. Already we have studied in the previous videos. On the same way, we can find the integration of, this is another function, integration of 1 upon root under ax square plus bx plus c into dx. If we apply the same methods for finding, that means first we change this into the perfect square and getting a like this. So in the last we can find the integration of 1 upon root under t square plus k square or t square minus k square, and then we find the integration of this function. Now in the next video we will take another function.